Okay guys, so here's the problem. This is the trans. The Bowden cable is all messed up and it's broken right here too. Yeah, sadly. So I'm gonna be replacing it. I got brand new parts right there. And I'm gonna change that stuff. Pretty crazy, but yeah. Since I'm already here, I have to do it. And I'm gonna change the trans dipstick O-ring as well. Well, this is the next morning. Good morning, guys. Today we are doing a lot of stuff to the transmission. I'm gonna finish up the transmission, so I have to take out the pan, clean the pan out, change the filter, and also change the Bowden cable on it, and change the front torque converter seal. So I have all the parts there, and also have a new vacuum modulator for it that I really want to install before I install the engine transmission back into the car. By the way, the battery is still on a slow charge. It was 11.8 today, dropped a little bit to 11.7 overnight. But, you know, hopefully I can still, you know, somewhat recover it. I don't know, but I'm now just cleaning this trans a little bit from all the sludge. I'll be changing this seal. I have a new one. New vacuum modulator is going to be installed. This Bowden cable is really bad, as you can see. It's like broken. That's how I got this transmission from the previous owner who took it out. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to like tip it on the side, yeah, and do all that. Using this puller, I pulled out the old seal. There it is. And it wasn't leaking, but I just want to replace it for preventive maintenance. I'm already here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace this bad boy. Clean the surface, install a new one. Here's that one. Let's see if I get you the part number. Right there, this should be the one. Like that. Yep. So there's the Bowden cable assembly. Took it out, and then just being really careful. Took out the dipstick too. I have the new O-ring for the dipstick. I don't have the new O-ring for the Bowden cable assembly, but this one's still actually really nice and pliable, really good. So I'm gonna reuse that. And yeah, I'm about to tip the transmission over because I need to take the pan out. Otherwise, it's going to be a pain to install this cable back, the new one. Okay, now I'm just taking this transmission pan out. Notice some damage there, unfortunately. So I'm gonna just restore this pan as well. I'm just gonna use a hammer or something, probably. Just bring this back how it was. Yeah, I didn't notice this before. I don't know. I think it's whoever removed the engine trans back last. To try it a little bit more. Okay, so I'm installing this Bowden cable now. Don't forget to install your O-ring first in there, and then when you press down on this hook is going to be coming out, as you can see. Okay, And then with this, you're gonna attach that hook to the inside of this Bowden cable. The only thing is, you can push down on this cable, it will come out more from this end. So as you can see, I pushed it down. Now this is where that hook is gonna attach to, right there. That's how you install the Bowden cable. It's a bit of a tight fit, but I had to kind of work my way in there. You just gotta turn it now, and then we're gonna test the operation of it. Test the operation of it. I gotta do with both hands, so let's see if I can show you the operation. Just watch this right there. Awesome. It's working amazing. Yep, this is what it looks like now. This is the old part. Yeah.
Oh, my wife will say, oh, that's not one moment in time.
Installing the trans to the engine now. Got new O-ring on the dipstick tube, ready to install that. Well, big thank you to Rain and his wife Eileen for all the food and just hospitality and everything. I mean, I'm so grateful for you guys. I don't know where I would be without you. So they provided me the space for the garage to rebuild this engine trans and all that. So yeah, I love you, Rain, and your Eileen and everything. Thank you guys. Okay, we just picked up this amazing old school Toyota pickup truck. It's got almost 300,000 miles, 5-speed manual, and basically I have to pick up an engine hoist and a couple of transmission cooling lines so we can install that engine trans tomorrow. So thank you so much, Kuya Joe, if you're watching. Thank you for the truck. Hell yeah, I'm rocking some BMW E39M series shirt today because I love Beamers too. Driving this amazing machine, old school Toyota pickup truck, 5-speed manual. Gotta pick up an engine hoist. Hell yeah. All right, this is the amazing machine, guys. It's Toyota pickup truck, Tacoma. I think it's late 90s, early 2000s. So I'm about to go pick up the engine hoist and a couple of parts with this amazing thing. The interior is actually pretty cool too. There it is. I like it. Okay, now I'll be changing the trans mount on this thing. Have a new trans mount for it. Right over here. And we will retire this one. I don't know. It was made 2009, I'm guessing. Don't know what that is. And then I have this one. This one also has a seal, everything. It's a newer style vacuum modulator and I installed. We got a new vacuum modulator going back in, everything brand new, O-ring, all that. Hey guys, late at night, driving right now to pick up the engine hoist from one of our buddies. That's cool. Oh, let me hold that, and or maybe put it like right here through this part.
I would go put it on that spot. Where
this spot?
is, yeah.
Okay. All right. Guess it will go like that. I think it.
Oh, right here.
Oh. Nice. Wow, look at that. My buddy Joseph is working on a lot of projects here. He's got a lot of amazing machines here. Look at that. And that's not all the cars that he has. He has more of these amazing legends. That's badass. Yeah, I'll leave his Instagram link in the description, guys. Make sure you follow him. He does a lot of cool stuff.